going to tell you how to remove the background of your picture and video. For that, you have to go to the remove background site where you upload your image, any image in which you want to remove the background. Suppose I want this child picture and want to remove the background of this picture automatically, then it will remove the background of this child picture and you can download it and you can see the picture has no background. So this way you can remove any picture background with the help of remove.bg, and same way you can remove the any video background by, or you can change the background of your image. For that you have to upload the video which is less than or equal to 5 seconds and upload the clip. Here you have to upload any clip which is less than, suppose I am uploading this one, preparing to upload, and it will remove the background of your video. I have given the blue background of this video and it is removing the background of your video. Just wait, it is removing. It might be a greater than 5 seconds, so it has removed only half. So uh, must take a less time consuming video. So I'm taking another one. Suppose I'm taking this one and it will remove the background of this video very fast because it is small. So for the small video you can do it only, and now download it. You will get in a GIF format this one. You have removed the background of this video, and this way you can remove the background of any video also. Thank you viewers, this is all. There are so many software through which you can remove the background of your image or video. You can see here by searching on Google, remove background from image free. When you write it, you will get remove.bg and many more. Slasher.com, adobe.com. You can even remove your photograph background in Adobe Photoshop if you know it, and you can change the background of your image. So here you write change background of image. When you go there, upload image, just I want to upload some image. Suppose I upload this one or use this one, and you want to change, select file, and you want to change the image of the background image of this photo, then you can select any. It will change the background of your photo and you can download it. Even you can share it. So I am just downloading it. Even you can change this one. It will change the image of background image of your picture. So same picture you can convert into convert it into three formats with three backgrounds. Let's see. So this way you can change your image background, you can remove your image background, or even you can change the background of the video which is less than or equal to 5 seconds. So thank you viewers, this is all today. If you like it, please share and subscribe. Thank you. And mind you, this I am doing in on the laptop, not for the Android. If it is available in Android, then you can do it. Otherwise, you can use a Pixabay for that. Even in Pixabay, you can do it. Thank you.